stands at his table door. He was brushing his milk steed down when who passed by but Lady Nancy Bell. She was wishing her a lover Godspeed. She was wishing her a lover Godspeed. Oh, where are you going? Lord, love it, she said. Come, promise, tell me true. Over the sea, strange countries to see. Lady Nancy Bell, I'll come and see you. Lady Nancy Bell, I'll come and see. He was away a year or two, but he scarcely had been 3 when a mighty full dream come into his head. Lady Nancy Bell, I'll come and see you. Lady Nancy Bell, I'll come and see. He passed down by Capleton's church and down to Mary's Hall, and the ladies were all weeping full, and the ladies were all weeping full. Who is dead? Lord, love it, he said. Come, promise, tell me true. Lady Nancy Bell died for our true lover's sake, and the Lord loved it, it was his name, and the Lord loved it, it was his name. He ordered the coffin to be opened up, and the white sheets rolled down. He kissed her on the cold clay lips, and the tears che metteränkelnden an de dias che metteränkelnden